This is Frankie McDowell, my own TV station live in Sydney, Nova Scotia. Tropical storm Hurricane Isaac is now heading for New Orleans. Track has shifted further west. It's going to hit New Orleans on Wednesday, August the 29th, 2012. People in New Orleans, be prepared for Hurricane Isaac. Buy lots of batteries, have your flashlights ready, have your candles ready. Order your pizzas, order your Chinese food, because Hurricane Isaac is now heading for New Orleans on Wednesday, August the 29th, 2012. There's supposed to be a lot of rain, a lot of flooding going on, and winds will be very strong, and winds will gust up to over 100 miles per hour. It's supposed to be a very strong hurricane to hit New Orleans. It's supposed to be a powerful storm. It will be very powerful hurricane to strike New Orleans on Wednesday, August the 29th, 2012. People in New Orleans, be prepared. Have your medical kits ready. Have your bottled water ready. Have your boats ready. Don't drive your car to the flood, or your car can get stalled. A lot of transformers will be destroyed. All kinds of trees will be down. A lot of telephone poles will be down as well, because it's going to be a powerhouse storm to hit New Orleans. A very powerful hurricane is on its way for New Orleans on Wednesday, August the 29th, 2012. The Gulf Coast waters are really warm. That should have a rapid strengthening of the Hurricane Isaac. Have your iPads charged. Have your cell phones charged. Have your tablets charged. Have your mobile internet ready. Have your everything charged. Unplug all the electronics, so the power, since the power will go from Hurricane Isaac. Best of luck to ya. People in New Orleans, be prepared for Hurricane Isaac. Don't let your guard down yet. Good luck.